In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward redirect emails in Outlook. We'll cover the new Outlook on the web and the classic desktop version, so you can pick the method that fits the experience you're using. Let's start with simple, account-wide forwarding in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Open Outlook, then select the gear icon in the top right to open settings. In the left panel, choose Mail, then Forwarding. Turn on Enable Forwarding, type the email address you want your messages sent to, and click Save. If you want to keep the original messages in your inbox as well, check Keep a copy of forwarded messages before saving. This option is helpful if you want a backup or plan to manage messages from both mailboxes. If you prefer more control, use Rules in the new Outlook or web. Again, go to Settings, select Mail, then Rules, and choose Add New Rule. Give your rule a clear name so you can recognize it later. For the condition, choose Apply to all messages if you want everything forwarded, or add another condition to narrow it down. For the action, select Forward to or Forward as attachment and enter the destination address. Forward to places the content inline, while Forward as attachment bundles the original message as an .ml file, preserving headers and making it easier for auditing or troubleshooting. You can add more actions or define exceptions, such as excluding certain senders or subjects. If you use multiple rules, consider enabling Stop Processing More rules so this rule runs first and prevents conflicts. When everything looks right, click Save. Now for classic Outlook on Windows. On the Home tab, select Move, then Rules, and choose Manage Rules Alerts. Click New Rule. Under Start from a blank rule, select Apply Rule on Messages I Receive, then Next. If you want the rule to apply to all messages, leave every condition unchecked and click Next. When Outlook asks if the rule should apply to every message, select Yes to confirm. In the Actions list, choose Forward it to people or public group, or Forward it to people or public group as an attachment. Edit the rule description to specify the address you want to forward to, then click Next. If you need exceptions, set them here, otherwise, leave them unchecked and select Next. Give the rule a meaningful name and choose any additional options you want. Finally, click Finish. That's it. You now know how to automatically forward or redirect emails in both the new Outlook and classic Outlook. Thanks for watching.